everyone, in this short video I'm going to show you in the Excel sheet how the bank calculate your loan monthly payment. By knowing this, you can be proactive and find out your monthly payment schedule even before you apply for a loan. So let's get started. Assume you're going to apply for a 20,000 loan to buy a car. So your loan a month, it's gonna be 20,000. The loan term means the duration, the period you're gonna pay back that loan. It's gonna be in year. And the next one, it's gonna be the interest rate. Here we assume that you're gonna get an offer for a bank for a fixed interest rate. We change the format to percent, and here we assume that the bank is offering 8% interest rate as the annual interest rate. Okay, here is the input parameter. You want to find out how much is going to be your monthly payment. The formula we're going to use here, it's the PMT financial function, which needs a few arguments. The first one is the rate, the interest rate, and it is 8%, should be in monthly terms, so we divide it by 12. Next argument, it's number of payments, which is 7 years. Again, this one also needs to be in monthly terms, so we multiply by 12. The next one is the present value of the loan, which is 20,000. The other argument is not important, optional. We close, and as this term is the payment, it's give you a negative figure. Just to get rid of this negative, we just add a minus. So here you are. The monthly payment, it's going to be $311.72. Now let's find out your loan payment structure and breakdown. Seven years, it's going to be 84 monthly. The next column, it's going to be beginning of month's balance. So the start balance is the total amount you're going to borrow, so it's 20,000, and the monthly payment, it's the fixed amount of this figure. We just lock this figure as it's going to be all constant, the all months. Okay, and now we want to find out the breakdown of this payment. We want to find out from this figure how much we're paying for interest and how much for principal. So interest payment, it's going to be the total balance multiplied by interest rate in monthly term. And the principal is just simply total payment minus the interest payment. So from this figure, we're paying this much for interest in the first month, and this figure for the principal. And the end of month's balance gonna be balance in the beginning of the month minus the amount the principal paid. So in the next month, the interest rate, it's gonna be applied to this figure instead of this figure. So beginning of the next month's balance, it's gonna be balance of the end of months of previous month. So if you lock this figure as you can see, your interest payment is dropping as we're going down and the principal is increasing. And if you go further down, you will find out that most of your last month payment it's going for principal and just a little for the interest. We can see this in a graph. As you can see, even in the graph, this is the payment of principal and this is the interest. As we going further to the end of your loan term, the interest payment is dropping and principal is increasing.
For your convenience, we have made a formulated Excel sheet and it's pretty simple. You enter the main input parameters and all the calculation will be done automatically. If you're interested to have this Excel sheet, please drop your email in the comment and I will email it to you. Hope you find it useful and see you in the next video.